Hi guys, it's Shauna here with Pampered Chef, and I'm going to show you the microwave popcorn maker, and this is the size, the family size. And here it is. First of all, it does collapse for easy storage, like that, and the lid and the canister all fit together for easy storage. So you just unpop it. Fill the little cup that comes with it. I have found that the family size works best if you fill it up twice. So there's one, and I'm gonna run out. And all I'm using, guys, is this Orville, the original, just regular popping kernels. Is that what they're called? I think that's what they're called. I'm gonna look at the other one. I won't show the other one quite so much. I'm going to do this one a little bit more. Okay. So that's all done. And you pop the lid on. And then you can either put in here, see how it's got little holes in there? You could put oil or butter right in here while it's popping. I like to do it personally afterwards. So here you go. Close it up. Pop it in your microwave. They say to put it a little off center, not directly in the center of your microwave. And I'll start at 3 minutes. Let's start at 3:30. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. And hit start. And then in the meantime, I had already melted some butter in our silicone prep bowls. It comes in a set of 3, large, medium, and small. Let's see, this is 3 cups, and I believe this is 2 cups, and it would make sense for this to be 1 cup, which it is. So I have just melted some butter, and I have put some of our Parmesan garlic seasoning inside, and it smells really good. Other choices I have seen is an applewood smoked rub with your melted butter poured over the done popcorn, the popped popcorn, or even I think a sun-dried tomato herb would be really good. So there's plenty of varieties out there for you to try. So for right now I have just done this one. So I will come back to you after the popcorn is finished. Okay, so I've added some time, about 1:30 to that 3 minutes 30 seconds, and I'm waiting to hear for 2 to 3 seconds in between pops. I think it's done. Let's check it out. I'll bring it to you. The outside's going to be hot, so make sure you grab some kind of protectors. Let's check it out. Okay, grab it. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, check that out. Fresh popped corn. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Can you hear it? And guess what? There's no chemicals or toxins or anything in there. It's just popcorn right now. And whatever you choose to add it, you know what you're adding into it. So like I said, I made that butter with the Parmesan garlic rub or seasonings. So I'm just going to pour that over top. And mix it in. What do you guys think? I know you can't taste it, but this is so great how well this works. I'm just going to mix it in a little bit. And maybe sprinkle just a bit of salt. Not too much. You can do whatever you like. You can make personalized pieces or cups. Okay, listen. Oh, popcorn. So yummy. This is the family size microwave popcorn maker. I hope you enjoyed watching my demo. Thanks guys, bye.